as the sounds and the vibrations come into your heart and soul. I am with you. I am Michael, burning bright. I am with you, bringing the sword of truth and light. I am Michael, burning bright, bringing the sword of truth and light. I am Michael, burning bright, bringing the sword of truth and light. Michael, Michael, burning bright, bringing the sword of truth and light. I am Michael, Michael, bringing you the energy of delight. Stand on the feet, the surface of your being. Stand on your understanding. Stand on your support. Feel the bottoms of your feet. Feel them touch the earth. Move the toes around. Remember standing on the sand, on the moss, on the rocks. Remember standing in the water. Remember standing on the grass. Remember standing on the pine needles. Remember standing. I am Michael, burning bright, bringing the sword of truth and light. I ask you to stand up and receive the sword tonight. This won't be the first time I have come to you, and it won't be the first time you have taken up the sword of truth and light. For some of you, you have done it many times. Each time you do it, you reactivate your ability to be in your truth, your ability to be whole, your ability to be loving, your ability to be loved. Beloved ones, open the ability to be loved. Open the ability to be loving. I am Michael, burning bright, giving you the sword of truth and light, giving it into your being tonight. Hold the palms upward around the heart chakra. The sword may come in laid in your palms. The sword may come in directly into a chakra. The sword may come in through the crown. Tone 9 times, repeating inside your being as you tone, Michael, Michael, burning bright, bring me the sword of truth and light. You feel the sword passing through your being. You feel the sword coming into your heart. You feel it moving into a different chakra. Note the chakra the sword has gone. Allow your right hand to be with that chakra. If the sword was laid on your palms, simply bring it into your own heart by laying the palms on the heart. I am Michael, burning bright. I am Michael, burning bright, bringing you the sword of truth and light. The sword may cut the ties to the old patterns and beings and dances in relationships that you no longer need. The sword may clear the path for you so that you may walk steady and whole. The sword may clear your confusion and vision. The sword can be used in any way. Imagine swinging it around your head and your body, letting it clear and activate your aura. I am Michael, burning bright, Archangel of the indigo ray, with you always, today and every day. Repeat it once again, so that you know that I am with thee. Michael, Michael, burning bright, bring the sword of truth and light. Michael, Michael, burning bright, bring the sword of truth and light. Michael, Michael, burning bright, bring the sword of truth and light. I am with you, dear ones, today and every night. We come to you each full moon. We come to you each full moon because it is a time of harvesting. And we are harvesting energies and souls. And you are harvesting. You are harvesting. You are harvesting the seeds of awareness in your being, in your life. You are harvesting the seeds of your soul. You are bringing this energy in as manna. Remember in the old stories, the manna that was given to the desert, the holy food. The manna vibration is in the water that you blessed tonight. The manna vibration is the vibration that you are pulling towards you now. Imagine your thyroid and your thymus opening up and drinking those water vibrations of manna. Imagine it moving into your thymus, bringing the potential of healing vibration into your thymus, into your immune system, strengthening yourself. You can strengthen yourself in me when you are feeling tired and in need of company that inspires you, that blesses you, that brings your joy forth within you. Call on me, Michael, burning bright. I serve in many a capacity. I serve the planet Earth, and I serve with the sword of light. I serve with the vibration of truth. How powerful is the vibration of truth? So powerful, so very powerful. Part of the vibration of truth is part of the synergistic combination that opens the gateways of light to your planet, that starts the process of transmutation, that starts the process of the hell world moving into the heaven world and them becoming the new world.